I am Katie Smith's advisor, making a recommendation that she roll her assets out of an existing Microsoft 401k plan into an IRA. To do this, I have filled out RolloverAnalyzer with her details and the cost, service, and fit criteria associated with her circumstances and sent her the disclosure. Once I hear that she is ready to execute the rollover, I go into Compliance Express to initiate the rollover. This automatically sends the client, source, and destination account details to our transfer partner, pre-filling all the forms required to let them automate the process. At this time, Katie will receive an email letting her know the transfer is ready for the details to be quickly confirmed, and an e-signature can be provided to begin the process. When Katie opens the platform, she can look through and confirm key details, and finally, provide her e-signature. Once complete, the rollover is now being done digitally. Our partner is providing all the required details and going through the process with the record keeper and plan sponsor to get the transfer done as soon as possible. This application allows the client to view a real-time status of her transfer. Now, as the advisor, I also want to view the rollover status. Back in Compliance Express, I can do this using this button. I'll be able to check back and view as the status goes from processing to complete. At this point, Katie's assets are transferred into her IRA, where I can help her plan her financial future. As I continue to grow my rollover business, I get a dashboard to view key metrics of my rollover channel and can analyze this data in the InvestorCom platform. That is how RolloverTransfer and InvestorCom's connected ecosystem can save firms, their advisors, and their clients time and money by automating rollovers.